Oh look, man, it's a setup it's for the house. Yeah, set up, got some hooks and stuff for the car seats and yeah, some towers there for my fuel right there, bro. Excuse me, that's a vacuum. It's a system setup right there. Got two connect, if I need extra water, got an extra hose hooked up right here. So my cleaning supply, got some garden hose, extra power wash hose right here, extensions and some my vacuum, this is my pump set up. Got some strap for the thing. That's my chemical, got a little chemical right here, purple power. Then got another one right there. I don't know what exactly it is. That's my switch, my pump. Yeah, thing click, good to go. Got that extension right here. Extension if I need to plug something up. I want to charge something. Good to go right there. Hose connect. Wash and brush and stuff like that. That's all my thing. All my cleaning supplies.